Weighted mean. Weighted mean is not all data points contribute equally, as some carry more weight. So let's explore this in an example. So example 1. Gabriel is calculating his final grade for the course. The grades are broken down into 25% for homework, 25% for quizzes, 20% for tests, 20% for final, and 10% for attendance. Gabriel received 88% on the homework, 92% on the quizzes, 94% on the tests, and 89% on the final, and 100% on the attendance. What is his final grade? So you can see that he has different weights for each category and received different grades. So let's go ahead and calculate his final grade based upon all this. And what's helpful is to understand we have 25% for homework, which he received an 88%. For the quizzes, it's 25% of the total, which he received a 92%. For the test, it's 20% of the grade, and it's 94% was what he received. Then he got an 89% on the final, which is worth 20% of his grade. And then you have 10% for attendance for the final grade, and he received 100%. So let's go ahead and calculate this out and write this all out. So how you would do this is you see we have a 25, and we're just going to multiply them together. 25 times 88 plus, then we have 25 times 92 plus 20 times 94 plus 20 times 90 times 89 plus 10 times 100. Now this total is all over 100 because it's worth 100% of his whole grade. So let's now do the calculations on our calculator. So we have 25 times 88, which is equal to 2200. Next we have 25 times 92, which is equal to 2300. Next we have 20 times 94, which is equal to 1880 plus 20 times 89, which is equal to 1780 plus 10 times 100, which is equal to 1000. Now this is all over 100. So let's go ahead and add up all these numbers on the top. So we have 2200 plus 2300 plus 1880 plus 1780 plus 1000. So we get 9160. 9160. And this is all over 100. So this can be then divided by 100, which will get us to 91.6%. And this would be the final grade for the course. So let's look at another example. Example 2. Sam is calculating his final grade for the course. The grades are broken down into 40% for homework, 25% for quizzes, 20% for tests, and then 15% for the final. And Sam received 81% for the homework. We'll just correlate those together. 93% on the quizzes, 87% on the test, and then 89% on the final. So let's calculate his final grade. So like before, we're going to write it all out. So we have 40 times this 81 here. We're going to go plus 25 times 93 plus, done these, we have 20 times 87 plus 15 times 89. Now the total grade is out of 100%, so we'll put it over 100. Now let's go ahead and calculate. So we have 40 times 81, which is 3,240. We have 25 times 93, which is equal to 2,325. Now 20 times 87 is equal to 1,740. And then lastly, we have 15 times 89, which is equal to 1,335. All over 100. So let's add up all the numbers on the top now, on the numerator. So we got 3,240 plus 2,325 plus 1,740 plus 1,335, which is equal to 8,640. And then we divide by 100. So when we take this, divide by 100, and we get 86.4%. And that would be Sam's final grade for the course.